Already? Well, we had a big storm. And it's flooding. You can see the field over there was flooded. And this isn't even the hurricane rain. I was trying to get it the row where it was flooding, but couldn't get the camera on it. Sorry about the but yeah, like the creek bed over on the right side, I can see flooding. And in some places it's coming up in the road. And oh, see, there's a lot of water right here in the road. And the hurricane hasn't even got here yet. Can you believe this? And when I came to town to get my hurricane supplies, like the bottled water and snacks and stuff that we can eat in case the power goes off. I have my stove that I can use to heat water on or soup or whatever, so that's good. And I got instant coffee. And the plan is to use up all my freezer food. See, can you see down there? See the ditch? See that? There's usually barely any water in that creek bed. Oh man, it's going to be a doozy. And it's already, the trees are already weakened from the winter storm we had where I lost my power for like a week and a half. Ooh, there's a bug in here flying around. So they've already, okay, so we're going to use all the freezer food up before we lose power. But I don't know if I don't think I can catch it. But they've already lowered the lake. Probably 6 feet. Maybe less. I don't know. It's pretty low. I'm looking out my window. There's the store where I'm at the lake. There's the lake. Can't really see it from the side. If it ever stops raining, maybe we can walk down there. But, yeah. It's already flooding. Okay, so the trees are already weak from the winter storm we had. So if the wind is very strong, it's not going to take much to lose our power, which I hate, only because my kids can't use the internet. Well, see, now usually it floods right there and it's not flooding, so that's good. I want to ask for special prayers for my sister April and her husband. The land they bought and are building a home on, they bought a farm and they're building a new house from scratch, and it's out in the country, so they have to put their own septic system in and well. And they've already dug for the septic tank. And it rained so much already that where the tank is sitting has moved. And I think she said it's something like 3,000 pounds. It's like a big, huge concrete box. And they don't know how they're going to move it without having to get a crane, which is very expensive. And then also the lumber, all the lumber is sitting out, and the basement that they had poured, I think the basement got poured a couple weeks ago. That's going to be damaged if there's flooding. So that's not good, and the lumber getting wet is not good. And there is their road, I think, the driveway road, they're worried about washing out so bad that, you know, they're going to have to rebuild the road. Look at that big gray cloud just hanging real low. It just looks gross, roady out here. So please keep them in your prayers. She said that if, you know, things get ruined the way she's thinking they're going to get ruined, it'll be over $20,000 worth of loss that they'll take, which is not good for anybody's wallet, right? Sorry, I had to roll the window down. There's a bug flying around in here. I don't expect any, like, actual flooding on my property because I'm up on a hill in a mountain. But I do expect for the wind to damage some stuff and probably pull down a bunch of these trees and leave us powerless. So we're gonna, and we don't have a generator or anything, so that's definitely something we need to invest in. But I do have the pool that I can use to flush the commode because we have a well, so if the power goes out, the well won't work because it's an electric pump. The pump house runs off electricity. I'm not really worried. I know where to find drinking water. We need drinking water, and I got plenty of bottled water. Like right here, see right. Oh, I went too fast. But right down in there is a spring house, and I'm pretty sure they have a freshwater spring. Oh, this rain is just ridiculous. Look at this. Ugh. So, yeah, please keep us in your prayers, and I'm praying for everyone that is close to the coast to stay safe, evacuate, and God bless you all.